Let's go behind the barn door. Baby goats. Baby sheep. Rooster. Look, boys and girls, there are eggs. That means they're going to be hatching. Yes, there could be some baby chicks down here on the ground with the rooster and the hens. There's the rooster. There are the hens. That's their eggs over there. Eggs over there. Look at the two roosters. Oh, isn't that cute? A little rooster and a big rooster. You guys gonna cock-a-doodle-doo, huh? You gonna cock-a-doodle-doo? Somebody in the background did. Oh my gosh, are they gonna fight? Are you guys gonna peck each other? Oh no, boys and girls. I don't know if this looks good or it looks bad. Oh my goodness, they might be. I think that they want to fight each other. Yeah, look at that. A little tiny guy thinks he can beat that big guy. But he might be able to. Yes, he might be able to. Uh-oh, here we go. Here we go. Come on, guys, be nice. Be nice. Be nice to each other. You only have a little area to live in. Be nice. Pigs! What happened, girls? Because are females. There's an empty bowl. They want to be fed. Oh my. Yeah, you gonna eat the bowl now? The bowl's going through a lot. See the crack there? Yeah. Sorry, guys. I'm sorry. Whoever it is late feeding you guys, huh? You just gotta listen to him, huh? You're being patient. You're the patient pig, huh? Are you the patient one? Yes, you are. I know you. You've had many litters here. I know you by your nose. Yes. Look at the nose, boys and girls. Remember her? Remember this mother pig? She's gonna have babies one of these days soon. Ah, you're gonna have babies. Can't wait, because you're such a good mama. You're such a good mother. Oh my goodness. I know it's hard waiting. It's really hard waiting. And you're gonna be a mama soon, huh? Are you getting tired? Huh? One's laying down now, boys and girls. They're getting tired of all this noise that they're making. I know. It's hard waiting for food when you're starving. Yes. Yes, let's look at this guy back here. I know. It's hard, I know. You're hungry. You want to be fed. He's coming. He's coming. Oh my gosh, in your bowl. Oh, farmer. The farmer has to climb over and get the bowl. There's that bowl. Pick it around. Oh my goodness. They both can't get in that feeder together. Whoa, after eating a hitch. Empty bowl. Got all kinds of hitches now. This guy beside the bowl. Oh my goodness. No wonder that bowl is all messed up. She wasn't sitting inside, she was sitting over it. There's something still inside there, huh? Come on over here. Want to get some water now?
Mother sheep and their babies. Mother cows and their babies. Mother dairy cows give birth to one calf a year so they can continue producing milk.
over. Come on over. Yes, you. Come on over. Yes, come on over. Come on. Come on over. Come on.
And here is her baby, boys and girls. Look at the markings on her head. They're just like her mother's. The babies are separated from the mother shortly after birth.
This is a young cow, boys and girls. One day she's going to have babies.
This is when I first met her.
Ooh, the calf, boys and girls. Here. There, you're a nice brown and white calf. Yes, look this way. Look this way. Look this way. Yes, look this way. Look at the, oh, he's going to eat my clothes, boys and girls. Oh, you like my shirt? Oh, is it good? Is it good? Yeah. Wow, I didn't know cows like clothes. I didn't know cows like clothes. No, I didn't. I didn't know cows like clothes. I just know it. No. Oh, look at that tongue, boys and girls. That's a licky tongue. Woo. Closer. Wow, I'm going to have to wash my clothes, boys and girls. Hey, that was a nice move for the boys and girls. You want to say hi again? Huh? You want to say hi again? Yes? Go ahead, say hi. Say hi to the boys and girls. Boys and girls, this is the mooing cow. She's such a beautiful cow. She's had some beautiful babies too. I just was with the one over there. That's one of her babies. Uh-oh. Like her baby. Licking me. Licking me. You want to lick your baby's licking me? Oh yeah, there you go. Oh my gosh. Right where her baby licked me. Ow! Come over here and see me. Come on. Come over here. Come over here and say hi to the boys and girls. Come on. Come on. Boys and girls, tell her to come on. Come on over here and see us. Come on, sweetie. Come and see us. She's coming. Ah, here she comes. Yes. Hi there. Hi there. Oh, she wanted a drink of water after eating. Come here. Moo. Yes. Come on. Come on and see the boys and girls. Yes. You're such a good-looking cow. Yes, you are. You got a little itch? Oh, yes. Yeah. Oh, that feels good on your neck, doesn't it? Yes. Oh, yes. Got a itch, huh? You know how that is, boys and girls, when we have an itch. We gotta scratch it, huh? We gotta scratch it. Hello there. Yes. Now, what are you looking for down here on the ground, huh? What are you looking for? Ooh. Oh my goodness, you're such a big cow. You're such a big cow. Can you say moo for us? Can you say moo for us? Huh? Come on, say moo. She's grooming herself, boys and girls. She's cleaning herself off. Yes. See you. Yes, I do. Yes, it's been a while since I've seen you. Ooh, nice ear. Ooh, nice ear. Huh? Now you're got an itch on your ear, huh? Or on your face? Yes, after eating and drinking the water, we get itches. Huh? We get some itches, huh? In different places on our body. Can you give us a moo? Can you give us a moo, huh? Moo. Come on. Come on. The udders there, the udders, really tiny. But when she gets pregnant, then they'll start getting bigger. So she will have to nurse her baby.
Rooster. 2 breeds of roosters.
Roosters crow and the hens
Cluck.
Oh, there's that rooster with a real low voice. Like I said, there's several roosters in here with all these hens. There's a rooster right there, a real tall one. These are all young chickens, boys and girls. There he is. See the rooster right there? It's white and black, or black and white. He's waving his feathers right now. And he just crowed, boys and girls. Cock-a-doodle-doo for us. Here the 2 roosters are close to each other. Let's hope they don't get into a fight here for territory. Uh-oh, there they are. Boy, these 2 roosters stay close by each other. Maybe they're good friends.
Goat.
Hey, Mama. You haven't had your babies yet, huh? Oh, there's Daddy over there. Hi, Daddy. Hi, Billy. Are they gonna look like you? Huh? They usually do. Huh, Daddy? Boys and girls, she had her baby. There's Mom and baby right there. Oh my goodness, she had 2. There's one on the other side, hiding over here. Oh my, gotta wait until they get up. Big man of the day, huh? Huh? You got 2 little babies over there. 2 that look just like you, just like you. There they are, standing up, boys and girls. Oh, look, oh my gosh. Days old and still active. There's the family, father, babies, and mother. Hi sis, your sister just had babies too, huh? She had babies, yes. Yes she did, she had two.
Herding dog and Angora goats. This herding dog is trained to gather, herd, and protect the Angora goats. Boys and girls, watch the Angora goat.
Stay away from my food.
He wants the food. Here we go.
So look at the ones with the
Here down.
That's okay, we'll get you.
Gotta get it.
Oh my gosh.
Don't go by my bowl.
Don't do it. Don't do it. Uh-oh.
No.
Uh-oh. Oh boy.
Uh-oh.
She's not going to back down. She wants to eat it.
They're eating hay.
Well, she gets the dog's bowl
But now I named
and
it
the
Mossy
other ones
Low.
get their hay. She doesn't want the hay. She wants this. She wants the feed. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh. I think they might be friends, or she would have really fought with her. Let's see if she's going to go over there. Oh my. Dog is full, so I'm just going to let her have it. There are some of the Angora sheep up there on the hill. Let's see if we can see the dog. You see the dog, boys and girls, up there? The herding dog, the white one?
The herding dog protects the Angora goats from dangerous animals at night. Angora goat and baby.
Look at the newborn babies, boys and girls. Angora goat with her newborns. Look at these babies. Look at mama. Such a happy mama. Another Angora goat with her baby. Baby's enjoying the sun. Hi, mama. Male ram, the female, and the baby. Look this way, baby.
Angora goat sheared.
Angora goat sheared. Looks like when he's been sheared, and this goat has not been sheared. Young one. You hurt your little leg? Oh my goodness, I hate to see that. You hurt your little leg, didn't you? I'm so sorry. Oh, boys and girls, got his foot up because he injured his little foot. Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh goodness.
Alpaca.
Who's this cutie?
Say peas French fry?
What is her name? His name?
His name is French fry.
French fry! He does kind of look like a French fry, huh, boys and girls? Look at that. A baby alpaca, right?
He pretty? He's an alpaca, yes.
And how old is he?
He's about a year and a half.
A year and a half. He looks like a baby. But he's a juvenile, right?
He is. He's like a teenage alpaca.
Like a teenager. And look at this guy over here looking at that. Hi, sweet. Are you a miniature donkey, huh? Are you a miniature donkey? That's a miniature donkey. And how old is the donkey?
He's about 5 years old.
Oh my gosh, he's looking really good, huh, boys and girls? He's 5 years old. Hi there. Can you go hee-haw, hee-haw, huh? Nope, just resting now.
Mama.
White llama. Hi there, good looking. Huh? Huh? A white llama. Can you say hi to the boys and girls? Or are you too busy eating? It must be really good because you won't even stop to say hi. So we'll leave him alone.
Kids.
Hi, you looking for your mama? Who's over here? Oh, the kids, the young ones. Taken away from their moms. We're having fun. With the tail on this one. Whoa! Hey, you guys. Whoa, that must hurt. Wow, I heard that one. I heard that knocking of the heads. Whoa.
Mother goat and baby.
Here's the baby with its mother. And they always like to get on top of mama, huh? Just get on top of mama to be close to her. Oh, what's going on? What? Oh my goodness. Are these your babies? Huh? You say something again, huh? Are you a proud mama? Are you a proud mama? There's a mom with her baby. There's her baby. Oh, what? What are you buying about, huh? The baby is up. There's the baby. That baby's only about a week old, boys and girls. And of course, you always get on top of the mama. Yes, that's how we show our love for our mama.
Baby goats.
Babies. It comes into the pen here.
Baby calf.
Baby calf likes to be rubbed. Getting used to it now. Oh, there she goes. Oh my goodness, look at her. She liked that. Oh, look at. Oh my goodness, she is happy. This baby, boys and girls, she's so happy. Getting her exercise. Yes, look at her. Oh my goodness. Glad to see that she's happy. She goes again. There she goes again. Oh my goodness, sweetheart. Oh, you did a nice skit. Hurt your little face. She's really excited about it. She's really playful tonight. Look at her. Come here. Come on. You want to say hi to the boys and girls? Huh? You want to say hi to the boys and girls?
Dairy cow.
Hi.
What's up?
How are you? Huh? How are you? Hi. I can smell your breath. I can smell your breath. You're breathing on me. It's warm breath. Oh my goodness. Hi. You're so beautiful. Yes, you are. Everybody wants to see you because you're such a good looking cow. Still looking for some food. Oh my goodness. We met this cow earlier, boys and girls, and now you're just being milked. She has been milked. We took all that milk out of her, and now she's shriveled down
Mother sheep and their baby lamb.
My goodness. Mama sheep has her two little baby lambs. Hi, babies. Can you hear me? Can you say hi to the boys and girls? Huh? Here's one of them. Can you say hi to the boys and girls? Huh? Hi, baby. You're so cute. A little baby lamb, boys and girls. Another mother sheep with her little baby. A baby sheep is called a lamb, boys and girls. Look at that cutie. Are you a proud mama? Are you a proud mama? Yes, she is. This mother sheep needs to be sheared, huh? Do you see all that nice warm wool on her? There's a lot of wool. And this sheep over here has been sheared. Okay. They took her wool off. They shear them. Hi, Mama. You got two little babies, huh? Two little babies there. Good job. Little baby lambs. And this mother sheep, she has 3 babies. This sheep right here has been sheared. Her winter wool coat has been taken off. And the babies are by